Hi, my name is Aloboli, and today I'm going to be cooking something very special. It's called split gill mushroom. It's very special because it's my mother's favorite dish. I lost my mom 2 years ago and I had a lot of memories with her over this dish. So today as I cook, I will be sharing the memories I had with my mother over this dish. We will need a bowl of dried split gill mushroom, local herb, some cloves of garlic, ginger, and king chili. So these are the ingredients that my mom used while cooking this dish. So I'm just going to be using these ingredients. To start with, I would like to use a big cup of water and warm it. While I boil the water, I would like to peel the garlic and also get rid of the seed from the herb that I'm going to be using. Moving on to the herb. It has very strong smell, the taste is also very strong and it completes most of the dishes. So I'm gonna be roasting this angoti, it becomes crispy. So I'm gonna pull it off and then crush it. Now that the water is boiled, so I'm going to be soaking this split gill mushroom in warm water. Okay, coming back to the mushroom, I would like to drain the water like this. So after this now, I'm going to get a big bowl or anything to put all the ingredients together and mix it. Whenever I go home on summer vacations during my college days, she would prepare this dish for us and we would all love it. The texture looks like this now and it's all ready to go to the pot. And for this next step, I would like to use banana leaf. Just stick it out like this. We use banana leaf in order to get good smell from it and also to prevent burning the dish. Yes, like this, and then put it in the bowl. Then I'll just put on the lid like this, and then yes. Don't put the flame too high because it might get burned. Just like that, and then we will keep it for like half an hour. We have 7 siblings and everybody loves this dish made by my mom, and now we're all scattered. We don't get much time to stay together, but whenever we eat this dish, we remember the memories we had with our mom. So this dish is very, very special for all of us. So it's been 30 minutes, so I would like to check if it's ready to eat. The smell is so good, it's perfect, but I don't know how it tastes. Yes, it's ready to eat, so I'm going to put off the flame. I already called my cousins over for lunch, so we're going to enjoy this dish together.
Yeah, it's very delicious and tasty.
Thank you so much.
Exact like how our mom used to prepare for us. I really enjoy it.
Thank you so much, sister.
Yeah, it's very delicious.
Thank you so much. I had a very great experience cooking this dish on this very special day, and I would like to wish each and every mother a very happy Mother's Day, and to all the people who have lost your mom. I know it's very hard to spend this day without a mom, but I pray that God will give you strength to get through this. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.